Hi, I'm Sequoia with Project Tree Collard, and one of the biggest, most frequent questions I get is what to do about leggy and tall tree collards. These are purple tree collards that have been in a greenhouse, and it's summer, so they're a lighter, paler green with some purple stalks, so they don't look as purple generally in the summer, especially in hot climates like this. I just wanted to show you these guys that have been in a shaded environment outside of full sun in a greenhouse, less purple. But nonetheless, these are purple tree collards and they're very leggy. I meant to plant these a long time ago. They started off in very small containers, I believe 4-inch pots, and they just sat in the greenhouse a really long time, and I didn't get around to potting them up or planting them. I still haven't yet. So I want to make them more dense and healthy and less leggy and tall. So I'm going to show you how I do that. And it's basically to cut the top off. So we can eat this. This isn't really thick enough to use as a cutting, although I might try if I wanted to. But I'm going to go ahead and take the tops off here. So maybe we can compare. Let's see what I'm doing here. So this is going to make for a bushier plant. Each place there's a large leaf coming off the stalk, it's going to grow a little branchlet. So they're going to become multi-trunked. Here you can see the nodes. Those had a leaf. You can see the scar from where the leaf was. And those may be more likely now to make a branchlet because I have changed the chemistry and the hormones in the plant by cutting the top off. So I'm going to, you can see I'm not taking a lot of thought and care. If your tree collards are really precious to you, you might want to take a little more care. I'm cutting at an angle, just about 1/4 inch above a leaf. On most of these I'm leaving about 4 leaves. That one was really leaning. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to all of the plants. So they're going to look like this, and I'm going to follow up in a bit to show you what the new growth is like. Hi, so it's 3 weeks later. The last filming was in May, and now we're in mid-June. And I wanted to show you every single plant here sprouted. New growth. So here's a more mild one where we've got these nodes sprouting. We've got some pretty drastic, happy new growth. Look at that. This one. So it is not a good time for tree collards in the summer. They're edible, they're very productive, but they're not as sweet. They tend to have a bit more pests because they don't love the heat. So I'm just going to show you these leaves have powdery mildew, and there was some whitefly a couple weeks ago. So I am now going to be able to remove all of these old leaves. It is going to be a heat wave starting today, about 104. So I might not want to do too much of that, but I'm just going to cut some of these guys. So now you can see they're just going to continue to bush out. So I'm very happy with this. I will be planting them after this heat wave. I just wanted to wait and show you the new growth and give them a chance to settle in before I give them the shock of going into the native rocky soil here in Grass Valley, California. Fast forwarding about 5 weeks, here we have the purple tree collards from the containers in the video. And the tallest one's about 2.5–3 feet tall, and they're doing pretty well. They're nice and multi-trunked, growing in densely. So thank you so much for watching. For more information, you can go to projecttreecollard.org, where we sell plants, cuttings, and seeds of tree collards and some other perennial permaculture type plants for a homestead. And please hit the subscribe button. I'm really trying to build my channel, and I really appreciate you watching. I want to put out more content, and it's really nice to know I have an audience and that hopefully you're enjoying and learning from these videos. There's not a lot of information about tree collards. I'm trying to get the word out about them and about how amazing they are, how much food security they can provide, and they're just an awesome plant. So thanks and have a great day.